And achieved is not just saying quantitative, it can be qualitative. Building relationship is an achievement. So whenever you look at your resume or anybody else's, tell your brain to see, is this a doer or an achiever? And as soon as you say this is a doer, then you should be like, okay, how can I convert this into being an achiever resume? That's the goal for us. How can we show that we are an achiever? And trust me, even the small sentences, you can convert that into achiever sentences. Not everything has to be doer. And that's good to have doer. So some of the examples that I've pointed out, and I think I can go over one or two over here. So in the resume summary, a lot of people write, I'm an experienced product manager seeking new position with great company, take charge attitude, highly skilled in product development, design, leading cross-functional teams and product iteration. It's great. We see this type of summary in a lot of resumes. And I'm not saying this is bad. I'm saying that if everybody's doing this, how can we step up so that our resume stands out and the other person knows, oh, let me call them. And this is where, if you did all this, what did you achieve? That's where the question is. If you took charge, if you were part of product development, if you're part of design, what did you achieve with that? And that's where the right-hand side will show you. Highly capable product manager with 6+ years experience, seeking to leverage proven leadership and strategy skills to grow revenue at whatever company you're applying. And then you can say you met 150% of revenue goal. Even if it's 10%, trust me, that's big. It doesn't mean you have to have big numbers. It can be 1% of revenue goal in fast-paced tech firm. Led 7 cross-functional teams to 25% efficiency. You see, I'm trying to give little sneak peek of what all I have achieved in that resume summary. And that's where I want people. If you talk about cross-functional teams, what did that happen? Like, what did that lead to? If you did product iterations, obviously you made some improvements that led to something, cost savings, more margin, better user experience, more loyal customers. There could be so much that could happen. Customer retention went up, or you were able to penetrate into a new customer base. Any of those things. And if you don't have numbers, you can mention all that. So keep in mind how, whenever you think about it, is this a doer or is this an achiever? And if it's a doer, how can we convert into being achievements? Similarly in the experience, when I keep saying we did this. So I planned and launched 3 key new features for the current product line. Why did you do that? You know, if you are doing something, you're not doing because A, we're stupid. We're not doing it just because our boss told us. I think we all are very smart. The whole cohort is really smart to say, okay, why am I doing this job? Or why am I doing this particular task? And you will get an answer. You'll get to see, you can ask your boss, why are we doing this? And they will say, oh, the goal or the objective is that by doing this, we'll achieve something. Or by doing this, we'll help this another team to get to their goal. You see where I'm going at? Like, you have to ask the why. And as soon as you ask the why, you're coming into that achiever mentality, and you're saying achieve 40% product revenue, or you were saying launched 10 new products in 2 years that gained additional 10% revenue. That could be the other thing that you can talk about. But you want to talk about, what did this lead to? So it's good to start here, but it's not good to end here. You want to end on the right-hand side. So start here and say, okay, what did this achieve me? And then go there. And same way, I think there's all this, and you can obviously review that. I don't want to go through and read each one of them. I'm going to pause to see if there's any questions on this.